This is the Shine Ring dual circle magnetic phone holder. I got this guy because I need something that is magnetic to hold my phone because I'm spinning the phone constantly, taking pictures and whatnot. And this thing fits the bill perfectly. It's got 1/4-inch threads right here in the middle and 1/4-inch threads on both circles here. It also has cold shoe mounts on the top of each of these circles. And these guys are magnetic, so check it out. This is just a piece of metal. It holds on really, really well here. And then one of the cool things that I didn't realize came with it, but was a pleasant surprise here, it comes with another magnetic ring and an Allen key. The Allen key is for if you want to separate this guy. If you're using like the threads here and you want to stick your phone on here without the extra, you can actually take this guy apart. And this magnetic ring right here sticks on there, and it has adhesive on the back. So if you have a phone case that doesn't have a magnetic ring, or a phone that doesn't have a magnet, you can stick this on the back of the phone case and this thing will be able to hold it. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. I'm going to be using it to film videos with this phone right here, and this thing is going to work really, really well for me. So if you're in the market for something like this, this thing is fantastic. It's built really well, and I highly recommend it.